As we continue to look at contemporary America, we're going to analyze the role that the government actions have as they impact the American economy. So what roles does the government play in the United States economy? It starts with the Fed. The Federal Reserve has the ability to influence the United States economy. It bases its decisions on simple economic indicators such as gross domestic product, exchange rates, inflation, and even unemployment rates. So what are these actual roles that the government is expected to play in the U.S. economy? The Federal Reserve is going to play the most important role. It establishes monetary policy decisions that control the supply of money in the United States economy. They can expand the amount of money that's in the economy or shrink it. This can either cause inflation, making the value of the dollar less, or deflation, making the value of the dollar more. The Federal Reserve takes a careful look at the economy. We don't want it to get too high, and we certainly don't want it to get too low. But also, the President and Congress can play an important role in determining how the economy will play out. Fiscal policy decisions determined by the government, that's levels of taxation as well as spending, and also government regulations within the economy. All of these have a moderate impact on the way the economy is going. Fiscal policies, taxing, and spending. As we reflect back, the beginning of America and its role in the economy was very, very minimal, all the way up until the Progressive Era. It was during the Progressive Era that the United States began its involvement during this time to regulate certain businesses to ensure fair practices. The involvement was greatly increased with Franklin Roosevelt's New Deal programs. That brought us to a new level, a whole new level where the government expanded and grew and took on more. Now, we hopefully recall the Reagan Revolution, where the push was to shrink the government down. Well, that was more recently reversed. And in more recent times, we have seen even a greater increase in government activity, as we have seen the government make loans to businesses, attempting to increase the flow of money through tax cuts as well as stimulus packages. It seems that the United States government must take some hand in the free market system in order for it to continue to operate.